I know one of the hardest parts of running YouTube ads is having to constantly come out with new creative to test, especially if you're a busy business owner like I am. You know you should be coming out with new hooks and marketing angles to refresh that creative, but you may not always have the time. That's why today in this video, I want to show you a way to produce and test out realistic looking YouTube ads using AI. What's up? For those of you that don't know me, my name is Neil. I run Links Digital, a YouTube ads agency. And if you are interested in learning YouTube ads at an advanced level, check out the description down below for a link to our expert YouTube ads course. And I highly recommend that you check that out because I shared this exact AI strategy with our students a couple months ago. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and become a YouTube ads master, definitely join the course. All right, before we jump into the technical tutorial and I show you how to set up these AI ads, I do want to preface one thing is that you should only use these AI ads in certain situations. Still, the technology is not there that it'll completely replace all of your creative production. However, if you are testing different marketing messages, this is going to be great. Or if you're expanding to new markets and scaling in new markets, this would be a great option as well. And I'll show you how to do both. However, what I'm trying to say is that these AI ads should not replace the majority of your creative that you're running. Instead, just use it for testing. All right, so there's a few different tools out there, but the one we like to use the most is HeyGen. And I'll show you exactly why we like this one over some of the other ones. So they do have a free trial that you guys can go ahead and start off with. It doesn't give you access to all the features, but if you want a AI spokesperson, this is going to work more than enough. All right, so once you sign up for the free trial, you'll get access to this dashboard where you'll be able to customize some of their preset video avatars. So you can come in here and you can see I'm already starting to work on this one. So basically what this allows you to do is actually come inside, change the script and choose a different avatar. So as you can see, we have access to a whole bunch of different avatars that we can go ahead and customize. And the cool thing about HeyGen is all you have to do is just put in your script and then it'll actually render out this video of this avatar speaking. All right, so there's a whole bunch of vertical options here, but since we are running YouTube ads, I'm going to go ahead and pick a landscape option. I'm just going to go ahead with the demo one here. And the coolest thing about using these AI avatars is not only can you change the script, but you can also change the voice, so how this AI avatar is going to sound. All right, once you come into this section here, you can obviously put in your script, and I have a sample one to show you guys what it looks like. And this is where I would test all the different hooks and messagings, right? So instead of having to whip out your camera, set up everything, record a bunch of ads, all you can do is take your script that you were going to have anyways, put it in here, and boom, now you have a whole bunch of different hooks or marketing messages to test. So we are just going to go ahead and submit this.
Hey, this is Neil from Links Digital. Thanks for watching this video and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hey, if you are a business owner, I have this presentation here that shows you how to add 100K in revenue with YouTube ads.
I do want to tell you about one of their upgraded features, which is they let you create brand new custom AI avatars. So you can literally take your own video like I have here, and I'll show you exactly how that looks like in a second. And they will make a AI model based on your face and your voice. So this is only possible on the upgraded plan, but I think is well worth it if you're anyone that's spending a lot of money on advertising. Hey, really quickly, if you are somebody that's looking to get into YouTube ads, whether you want to do it yourself or you want it completely done for you, what I recommend is that you go down to the description of this video and click on the top link. What that will allow you to do is book a free strategy session with somebody on our team where we will sit down with you completely for free and see if YouTube ads make sense for your business. And with that, let's jump back into the video. Our video has finished processing, and let me show you guys what this looks like.
Hey Neil, here's an AI generated video. Stop. This is hook number 1. Hey, are you a busy business owner and you want to learn YouTube ads?
I think we can all admit that this looks significantly better than their default avatars, and I have a way to make it even more realistic when you are running YouTube ads. So what you're going to want to do is take one of these custom avatars, and we can see that there's some issues with the syncing of your lips when you're speaking. However, it's really not that bad. But in order to sell this even more, what we're going to go and do is just pick any sort of video editing software that you have, import a little slideshow, right? And then now we're going to put in our video that we just rendered. So this is our AI rendered video. All right, so I've just gone ahead and taken our video and just put it in a little mask over here, and so that it looks like a little screen share video. And this is what it'll look like.
Hey, are you a busy business owner and you want to learn YouTube ads?
Obviously, when your face is a little bit smaller and in the corner, this video looks way more realistic and it kind of sounds like you. So if you are somebody that's running a lot of talking head ads, like this is going to be perfect. You can literally test out, multiple different hooks all at the same time. One other thing that I want to tell you guys about with these AI videos is how you can expand into new markets. So I've said this, and the best way we can do this is through the Pro plan, where we can actually translate our videos into other languages. This is awesome because now you can target native languages if you're expanding to foreign geography. So the same video that we just worked on, I'm going to translate this video and put it in a number of different languages. So number of speakers is one, target language. Let's just do Spanish. Okay, cool. No brand voice. Perfect. Alrighty, so our video is done processing. This is what it sounds like.
¿Eres empresario y quieres aprender a hacer anuncios en YouTube?
Okay, I don't speak a lick of Spanish, so you guys tell me if that sounded realistic or not. However, if you are expanding into, other countries, I think this is a fantastic way for you to continue to come out with a lot of ads. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is what we've been messing around with AI ads. Again, if you want to stay ahead and you want to be on the cutting edge of YouTube ads, definitely join the course and subscribe to this channel. It costs you nothing, but it means a ton to us.